Good afternoon. I am the Mainly Digger. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying healthy. I had a great day with my kids today. It's daddy daycare for a while because of my wife just went back to work. So I'm having an outstanding time with my kids. So this video is gonna have three parts to it. One is the metal detecting part, but before that, I am going to go over a coin that I cleaned from the 20s, a Wheat Penny that I found last year, and the metal detecting. I only went out for the while. My eldest got mutinous. I promised her that she could fly my drone, and so she finally brought that up. So I was like, okay. And then the last part is my 9-year-old's flying a drone. She's flown it once before, and so she kind of has the hang of it, but she did really well. I was so excited, so proud of my daughter. Anyway.
Memorial.
She's learning.
All right.
Watch this video. It's a good time. Mainly dig out. So this is a Wheat Penny that I found last year from 1921. This was the back of it, and this is pretty much what it looked like. Using the pencils, I cleaned this up and got it really clean. I was surprised. I thought it was toasted. I thought it was done, but here's the cleaned up back. Just a reminder what it looked like before.
First coin of the day, 1956 penny. So a Wheatie. That is really cool. That is awesome. Look at that bad boy.
So I'm a little confused. I confused myself. This looks like 1950 or 1956. In the video, it definitely looks like 1956, but when I cleaned it up, it looks like 1950. It could be my eyes, who knows. Anyway,
I'm here with my minions again. GG's. No idea what it is. I think it's modern. It looks like a cap to something. Probably something important. Awesome find with my minions. It looks like I don't know, like a switch. Who knows? Good times. So, found a cap in the dirt. Don't know how old it is, but it is definitely a cap. Vintage cap. It makes it sound so much better. Vintage, antique. So my little helper here, one of my two helpers. Oh, GG's, I can't see it. Okay, there we go. Open. It is from 1981, so it's not that old. It was really green though. So we cleaned it off, found out it was from 1981. Lulu, what kind of penny is it?
Memorial.
she's learning.
All right, another penny. There's two pennies. One's from the one we just found, and this one is from the 70s. This is the one that I just pulled out of the ground. You can see it's from 1976. Bam, chill. So this is the second we sent of the day, which is awesome. If you didn't know, we're in my sister-in-law's side yard with my minions. Someone smart and brought a chair. That was not me. So I will clean this off and get a date. So I'm gonna have to clean this off with the pencils because I can't read the date on it, but that is pretty cool.
So the Wheat Penny I could not read was the one from 1952, and the dirt came off easy. It wasn't like, I didn't even have to press it hard at all, but gorgeous penny, nice Wheatie. They're both nice Wheatie. It was a great day.
So Lulu, what's the biggest thing with drones?
To pay attention.
And what happens if it's going somewhere too close?
Put it down.
Right. And how do you put it down? The joystick all the way down. Good job. All right.
Now go get.
Round two.
Woo!
My 9-year-old's doing this. Like a champ. Like a champ. Look at her go. The reason why I don't have it on the camera on the drone is because I cannot record with my camera and have recorded on the drone also. So, whatever. Look at her go. All right, Lou, bring it towards me. Other way. So my 9-year-old is using the drone right now. I gotta find it. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Bring it back, Luke. Bring it back. Back, not up. There we go. Back, back, back. Down it. Okay, land it. There we go. So good day. This is the end of the video. This is my review. I have a couple of good pennies, couple cool pennies. One from the 70s, one from the 80s, two from that are Wheaties. And this is, I still have to clean this off, and that'll be in the video also. These two caps, I don't know how old they are. I don't think this one's that old. This one was found in the yard. I'm here with my minions. I got, as you can tell in the video, I got overruled, and my eldest wanted to fly the drone, so let her fly the drone. And then I got a penny from probably a modern day penny or clad. All right, mainly dig out. So the two Wheaties I found today are from 1952. That is the one that you could not read, or I could not read, and I had to clean up a little bit. I cleaned it up in this photo. And from 1950. I thought it said 1956, but it's from 1950.